The GameSir Cyclone 2 is a wireless multi-platform controller with a charging station, Hall effect joysticks, RGB lighting, and adjustable triggers. It supports Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz, and USB connections, and has an 860 mAh battery. I have high hopes for the GameSir Cyclone 2, so let's unbox it and test it out. We have TMR sticks, which are pretty much Hall effect joysticks, tactical buttons, and micro switches in the triggers. Alright, that's pretty much it. The other thing that stands out is that there's a stand. So I'm excited to see that. Alright, here we go. What's inside the box? Here's the controller, and here is the stand. Inside this bag, we have the Cyclone 2. Wow, it looks really nice, actually. It comes in black as well, but I wanted the white one. So we have a gold D-pad, gold bumpers, transparent triggers, and a little bit of red and gray. I like it. We have two programmable buttons on the back, and I think we have a removable faceplate. No, we don't. I lied. Here's the USB-C port, headset port, or a headphone port. We have the stand here where we can store the dongle. So like this. There we go. And we can plug it into the computer to charge the controller, and I think connect to it as well. Let's see what it looks like when we turn it on. And look at that, it's lighting up down here. So I can't actually see through it, and we do have a vibration system here. The buttons sound nice. They're kind of clicky, not too bad. I like how these triggers look, and it's a very sleek looking controller. I like it. Let's put it back on the stand. There you go, just like that. There is an app called GameSir Connect, and I have connected it to the controller here. We can change the lights here. We have flow, rainbow. It's slowly changing colors. Pulse, standoff, alarm, and off. Let's run a few tests here, and let's see how sensitive the triggers are. I want to stop at 0.50. Can I do it? Yeah, I got it on one side. Let's go to the left trigger here. There we go. We're around 50. Let's also test the circularity of the joysticks. Can we get a 0.0 average error? Yes, we can. So that's perfect. Let's go to the other one here. Looking good. And finally, let's see if it vibrates. It's vibrating. Let's play a game and make sure it works. Here is Marvel Rivals, and we are going to use the Scarlet Witch. I've only played this like twice. We have two witches. No, don't copy me. Hey, buddy, how you doing? We're in the same movie. Capture the mission area. Okay, I got it. So over here where it says attack. Uh-oh. Are there enemies nearby? Okay, there they are. There they are. So I've got like little mid-range guns. They don't shoot too far. All right, we got it. We captured it. It is ours, mother. I'm not gonna cuss. I don't have it in me. I'll never do it. I'll never say a bad word for as long as I live. Okay, is someone over here? I don't want to lose our little space that we have over here. I don't want anyone to capture it while we're side swiping. Okay, they're not looking. We can snipe from the side over here, but we're taking some damage. I need to get out of here. You built a stupid wall around me, boy. Get your walls off my face. I got cocky. I tried to go in there and push buttons. Didn't happen. Okay, I want to be Scarlet Witch. Okay, there we go. Okay, we need to not let them take this from us. This is our land. You get off my land. You go back to where you belong. No, we need to go back and capture our place. It belongs to us. Our ancestors passed it down to us, and they have taken it from us. We must go reclaim what is ours. Get your stupid tree walls away from me. All right, team, let's do this. Teamwork makes the dream work. You go that way, I'll go this way. We can get him. There we go. There's the KO. We're getting the hang of things here. Uh-oh, I don't think anyone's around. I don't think anyone's around. It doesn't matter. We're just doing it. We're just dancing here. We're showing what we can do. We're showing what will happen if you try to take this back from us. This is ours. We're at 98%. I'm the only one protecting it. It's okay. We did it, guys. We did it. The controller did it. The Cyclone 2 captured. Okay, there's two more to go. We didn't do it. We didn't do it yet. I like it. Link in the description. Go and get it.